We have previously created an assistant to chat with documents, and we saw that one of its components is a tab called Start Page. This Start Page provides end users with a clear guide to the assistant's capabilities and examples of usage. From the platform, we consider the assistant named Chat with GX Training and click on Update. Then we select the Start Page tab. First, we indicate a title and welcome message that clearly describes the purpose of the assistant. In our example, we enter the title Chat with GeneXus Training, and as description, we say that the assistant answers questions about the GeneXus course content. It's also possible to add information about specific functions of the assistant and examples of use. To do this, we select the Create Information item button. First, we must choose the type of information, which can be either a function or feature, or a message, prompt. As an example, we select Feature. These instructions will appear in the playground, making it easier for the end user to interact with the assistant. In the description field, we must indicate a specific property of the assistant, clearly explaining its purpose and how it can be used. In this case, we specify that the assistant provides concise answers to questions about the GeneXus course content. The answers are clear and provide links to the corresponding documents. We click on Save to save the instruction. Finally, by selecting Confirm, this data is saved and the message will appear in the playground when accessing the assistant. Now we go to the playground and select the Chat with GX Training Assistant. And we see the registered information. We are now going to create a new information element, this time of type prompt. As title, we indicate nested for each commands to implement a join. The description field is optional, but we also indicate nested for each commands to implement a join. Then we move on to the text field. This field is mandatory, and here we define the content that will be used as an example in the request. The assistant will use this text to execute the configured task. In our example, we indicate that the entity's country and client are considered, and the example of nested for each commands is shown to list the customers grouped by country. We click on Save, and then on Confirm. Let's go back to the playground. We select again the assistant, and now we see also available the reference example we just registered. We select the example and press Enter. In this way, it is possible to enter different examples of use that help the user to understand the capabilities of the assistant and to interact with it.